Hello, welcome to Swipe. Today we will learn how to complete e-way bill setup. To do that, first go to the e-way bill section and click on Connect to e-way bill portal. Here, in step 1, click on Login to the e-way bill portal. Once you get into the e-way bill portal, click on Login. Enter e-way bill portal username and password, add CAPTCHA and click on Login. Once you have logged into the e-way bill portal, go to Registration and select for GSP. Now click on Send OTP and verify the OTP that you might have received on your GST registered mobile number. Here, click on Add New. Select Registration through ERP and select the ERP name as Blue Fox Systems. Now add the suffix for the username. Re-enter the suffix again below. Now create an ERP password. Once you enter the password, click on Add. After clicking, copy the username from this table and go back to Swipe. Here go to e-way bill section and click on Connect to e-way bill portal. Now click on Proceed to e-way bill GSP login. Here, paste your GSP username that you have copied and enter password. Now click on Proceed to generate an e-way bill. That's it. You have successfully connected to e-way bill portal. That's it for today. Thank you for staying with us. See you in the next video.